Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing 3 different looks that I created using our Modern Split Chevron Stencil, and I really hope you guys enjoy all 3 of these looks, so let's get right into it. For the first look, I created this really minimalistic, thin lined chevron look, and I created this by simply only painting a line of paint on the top of the section of the stencil rather than just using a roller and filling in the whole entire shape. And I just think that the variety of colors really came out super nice, and I loved the outcome so much. For the next look, I created a much brighter and happier version, and I decided to use a orange color palette with a complementary of a kind of mauve-ish color, and I just started randomly rolling in those shapes using those 3 colors. And also I decided to skip a few of the shapes to create some more randomness to that pattern, and I think it came out super happy and bright, and I loved the outcome as well. And for the last look, I created the most simple look that you can do with this stencil, and I just simply rolled in the whole entire stencil and kept repeating, and I just used a solid white color on a gray base, and even that just comes out super beautiful. It's crazy how you can get so many different looks with just this one stencil, and I think I love the versatility of this stencil, and that's the beauty of it. I hope that seeing these 3 looks were super helpful to show that just one stencil you can create so many different types of looks. And if you want to order the Modern Split Chevron Stencil or any other stencil, you can get them at stencilmepretty.com, and I hope that this was a great inspiration for your future DIY projects.